Good morning, housework haters. These are my kids that made it into our bed at some point early this morning. My husband is headed to the gym. If I'm the one headed to the gym, he usually does this early morning stuff, but he is headed, so here we go. It's morning. My kids are waking up and they're so cute. My secret weapon in the morning as an introvert is earplugs because it cuts back all the noise. It makes me feel more rejuvenated in the morning. The first thing I usually do if I'm not going to the gym is go into my yoga room and stretch or do a little workout. It's a great way to start the day and everybody just kind of comes in and out. Then it's time for the kids to get ready for school, and so I'll just kind of try to tidy up as we leave each area so it's not left with just a huge mess. And then the kids will start getting ready. Then I take down the first load of laundry. I usually do about a load every day, and so I'll put in the laundry. I use Branch Basics laundry detergent. It's really awesome. It's non-toxic and you can use it for all sorts of things like the laundry, your soap dispensers, cleaning floors. There's a whole bunch of things you can use the concentrate for. Next, we'll make breakfast. So we're having a smoothie and toast this morning. It is my favorite, mess-free breakfast. It doesn't create a big mess. It's different than cereal and it's healthy, so it's a win. Next, we'll say goodbye to Daddy as he heads off to work. And then we usually walk to school as often as we can, but today we're running behind, probably because I'm making this video, so we're gonna drive to school, and then me and baby girl get to be at home. And we usually start outside because it feels so good, especially this time of year. So we'll water the plants outside, take care of anything that needs to get done. We'll kind of play around for a little bit and just try to enjoy the weather before we go back inside. Then the tidying begins of the morning rush aftermath. And we also we were out late the night before, and so this is just an extra messy morning because it didn't get very clean the night before. So I'm just gonna go around and clean the kitchen. I like to start on one side and work my way around the countertops because then you kind of get the satisfaction as you go instead of just grabbing random things. If you start on one side and work your way around, it starts to feel clean and it just creates momentum for the rest of the kitchen. When I'm not making a video, I usually am able to put away all the food before the kids go to school, and that's super helpful because, then they can kind of help and it doesn't take as long. I also really try hard not to do a perfect clean in the morning, which might sound funny that I try not to, but sometimes you can get obsessive, trying to clean your morning away. But I like to just get it prepared for the next meal and feel like, we're not living like slobs, and then move on because the morning time is, time without the kids. It's right now because it's, kind of warmer fall. It's a great time to be outside. So I don't want to spend my whole morning deep cleaning the kitchen or anything. It's just about getting it ready for the next meal and putting things back where they go so that we can continue on with our day. So as I tidy up everything in the kitchen, I'm clearing the counters first and I'm putting all the dishes by the sink, and then I like to move them to the right side of my sink because that's the non-disposal side, so that the disposal side is clear, so that as I clean out the dishes, they have, I have somewhere to clean them, and then I'll load them into the dishwasher. But for now, I'm just going around picking things up, putting them where they go, and piling the dishes over there so I can do it all at once. Now that I've got the kitchen area clear for the next meal, I'm going to move over to this dining area because I have a little bit extra time. Sometimes I won't worry about it because my main goal is to be ready for the next meal, but since I didn't clean this last night, I know I'm going to take a little bit more time and clear this off. This table kind of is where we set stuff if we're in a rush, like to sports and things like that. It just becomes the halfway home for lots of stuff. So I'm going to clear that off. I'm wiping it down, and baby girl is just following me around with her bottle, and she is so cute. She's starting to get kind of grumpy that I'm not playing with her though. So this room, I am going to set the toys that are out on the couch. We actually have a basket on our stairs, which I love, which I'll usually put the toys in, but it is probably full because we didn't clean last night, and so I'm going to set it on the couch, and my kids know, like, they'll come and put those toys away. I can just say, you got to clear the couch before whatever it is they want to do, and so they'll put those toys away. But my main goal right now is I want to be able to run the vacuum. So that's what I'm going to do next. A robot vacuum is definitely a amazing luxury. I love it. This is the Roborock S4 Max, and it is great because you can program, or it automatically programs each room, and then you can use your phone and tell it where to go. It also dodges stuff. It doesn't just bounce around. It vacuums in straight lines, and it does a great job. And my baby is scared of it, so it's pretty funny. I also love the Shark vac mop. I will usually use that around the high chair because the high chair just gets so gross. It's a lot for the robot vacuum to handle. And so this is really easy to use one-handed if I'm holding the baby, and can just quickly clean up her mess. There we go. We have a beautiful clean kitchen and living room area, and I'm grateful for my robot. Next, the laundry is done, so I'm going to go switch from the washer to the dryer and run that. It's about 10 o'clock, so not bad. Usually I try to finish by 9:30, but I knew I was going to take a little longer. Baby gets some screen time now while I take a shower, and then when I'm out of the shower, she takes a bath while I get ready for the day. And then after I'm ready, we get her ready, and then we're ready to party. We usually try to get out of the house or go do something fun, but today we're trying to take a thumbnail photo for the start of this video, and she is not having it. So don't be fooled by all the cute thumbnail photos you see. If you like this video, then be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you're looking to get your home on cruise control so that it doesn't take up so much of your time and space, then subscribe to my channel.